In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start FTMO Free Trial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access the free trial, set it up the right way, and make the most of it without risking any real money. First, a quick overview of what the free trial is. This is a no-cost, simplified version of the FTMO challenge that lets you explore the platform, tools, and evaluation process in a safe, simulated environment. You'll get a demo account with virtual capital and a shorter set of rules to follow. It's perfect for getting familiar with how FTMO works. Just remember, completing the trial doesn't earn you a funded account, and it doesn't automatically move you into the paid evaluation. If you want funding later, you'll still need to pass the full challenge or the one-step or two-step evaluation. Let's set it up. Start by visiting the official FTMO website and heading to the free trial section. It's usually labeled FTMO Free Trial and is easy to find from their main menu or promotions area. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid any lookalikes. Next, create an account or sign in. If you're new to FTMO, you'll register using your email and basic personal details. Keep your login info secure and use an email you actually check, since important notifications are sent there. Once you're in your dashboard, choose the free trial option. Look for a button like Start Free Trial or something similar and confirm your selection. This kicks off the setup process for your trial environment. Now pick your trading platform. FTMO typically supports MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, or DXTrade for the trial. Go with the platform you're most comfortable using or the one you intend to use long-term. Consistency matters because order types, charting tools, and execution flow differ slightly across platforms. Then configure your demo account. Select the simulated account size and basic settings, including the markets you plan to trade. To get the most realistic practice, choose an account size that matches what you'd select in the paid evaluation later, and focus on the instruments you actually trade. Finally, launch your trial. Once everything is set, your free trial begins and you can trade risk-free in the demo environment for a limited period, often around 14 days. Use this time to get comfortable with the rules, test your strategy, and practice execution. Keep an eye on the remaining days so you can plan your sessions effectively. That's it. You've started your FTMO free trial and you're ready to practice with confidence.